Today we'll be studying the expression être en train de in French. Okay, so as we know that in French we have only one tense to express both the tenses of English, that is the simple present tense and present continuous tense. Both are expressed by the same tense in English, that same tense in French, that is le présent indicatif. Then the situation comes that how do we separate if there is a situation where we have to say ki I am doing the work and not I do the work. Then how will we separate this? For example, the first sentence, if you see, je lis un livre. What does the sentence means? This sentence is conjugated in present tense, that is le présent indicatif. It means both. I read a book, that is a habit, general information, simple present, and it can also mean I am reading a book, which is present continuous. Then the second sentence, elle travaille à Paris, which represents both the simple present tense, that is habitual actions, and the present continuous tense, that is the ongoing action, which can mean she works in Paris, simple present, and also she is working in Paris currently at that moment, or present continuous. Similarly, the third example, nous mangeons. Nous mangeons can mean both, that is we eat and we are eating, both the tenses. Then the situation comes that how will we separate, how will we emphasize ki no, I am just talking about we are eating and not we eat, that is we are just talking about the ongoing action and not simple present. So for that clarification, for that emphasization, we use this expression, that is être en train de in French, which is être en train de, your expression plus the infinitive verb. Like if I say je suis en train de lire, it only means ki I am reading or I am in the middle of reading and not I read. So this is used to differentiate between I read and I am reading. Then let us see the structure of être en train de. As we are saying être en train de, so as this the expression is conjugated in the verb être, and the subject goes as usual, beginning with the subject pronoun je, tu, or whatever your subject is. It can also be Marie, Antoine, that is the noun or the pronoun, subject, then être conjugated in the present tense, le présent indicatif, then the expression en train de, and then the infinitive form of the main verb in the infinitive, no need to conjugate. Infinitive means the verb which is in its root form, it is not conjugated. Like if I say manger verb, manger, to eat, so manger is the infinitive, and mangeons, mange, all these are the conjugated form of the verb. Then let us look at the examples. Je suis en train de lire un livre. First example, we have conjugated être with je, which is je suis, then en train de expression, and then infinitive form of the verb in green color, that is lire, un livre, which is I am reading in a book or I am in the middle of reading a book. Similarly, second example, elle est en train de préparer le dîner, that is être conjugated with subject, that is elle, la, then expression en train de, and then préparer in infinitive, and then dîner, that is she is cooking dinner or she is in the middle of cooking dinner. Similarly, third example, nous sommes en train de discuter, which means we are talking or we are in the middle of discussion, we are discussing. ठीक है, some conjugated with nous, and then en train de, and then your infinitive verb, that is discuter. If you do not know, or if you forget the conjugation of être, so for your reference at last I have put the conjugation of être, that is je suis, I am, tu es, you are, which is for informal and singular. Then il est, elle est, on est, that is he, she, one is. Nous sommes, we are. Vous êtes, you are, formal as well as plural. Formal in the sense ki referring to the formal situations, and plural in the sense ki if you are in a situation where a teacher is there and your friend is there. Formal and informal situation both, plurality is there in the scenario, so you always go with vous. Then third last one, ILS and ELLES, that is il, elle, sont, that is they are. I hope you like the lesson. Thank you.